This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
How to properly set up Google AMP on your WordPress site. So first, navigate to your WordPress site, make sure you're logged in, and then head to Dashboard. Inside of Dashboard, head to Plugins. In Plugins, you want to install this plugin called AMP. So you can find it by clicking Add New, searching for AMP, and here it is, AMP. So click Install Now, and then after that, click Activate. So once the plugin is active, you should see AMP right here. There are two other plugins you also want to search for. The first one would be called Yoast SEO. So you can install this one. Install now. And then this one you want to install is called Glue for Yoast and AMP. So install. And after it's installed, you can activate the first one and as well as activate the second one. So we've activated one of them. So Glue for Yoast and AMP. So we want to activate this one as well. So notice how Yoast SEO has been activated as well as the Glue for Yoast SEO and AMP. So now you can head over to here where it says SEO and you can head over to AMP. And in AMP, you can see that here you can customize some things as you wish. So you can just save the changes. And here you can change your AMP icon and also change the background image, the background color, and you have some customization options. And in Analytics, here's where you can add a valid Google Analytics tracking code. If you want simpler customization, then instead of using the Yoast, you can head back over to Appearance and head over to AMP. Inside of here, this is your customization setting of your website. And head over to AMP. And here in Design, you can select your header background and link color, as well as the header text color. So right now it has been set to white and blue, which corresponds to my theme. But of course, if you want to set a specific color, you could. But I'll leave it as this color. As well, you can change the color scheme from dark to dark, or just leave it as light, and you can publish. So that is how you properly set up Google AMP on your WordPress site.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.